What's good, foodie family? So today we're gonna be trying out a place called the Fry Guy ATL. First up, let's try the lemon pepper wings. Let's try it without the sauce. Salud. Let's try it with the ranch. Right there. Okay, Fry Guy. Next up, let's try the hot wings. It's definitely sauced up. It's your standard hot wing. Last but not least, the main event, the ATL fry. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see the obesity in this plate? Salud. Yes. All right, let's try their shrimp. Y'all see it? The shrimp is good. And if you ever in the area, check this place out.